This is their living room. It has a pair of elliptical topped with elliptical niche cabinets. Their crown paneling. Mirrored beam. This room was entirely shop built. All the corners, inside corners are tongue and grooved, glued and screwed, and assembled on site. It is paneled floor to ceiling, all walls, some of the ceiling areas. The millwork contractor and the contractor had to work very closely in keeping the layout of all the mechanical, lighting, ceiling to relate properly to the millwork. Cordis Management's team has worked together so long that they anticipate what the other trades need, and it makes for a smooth, efficient, high quality project. And of course, with efficiency comes cost effectiveness. In order to execute this project in a timely fashion, Cordis broke up the millwork into packages by room for 3 or 4 shop. Plasma TVs give off quite a bit of heat. There are 2 fans behind the vents that are set with a thermostat to trigger if the TV gets too hot. Plasma's life is shortened immensely by overheating.